Hey guys, I want to show you my AR. Little Murphy. Murph, what are you doing? Hey goat. Hey goat, what are you doing? That's Ollie the goat. Put him out here in my little makeshift shed. But anyways, I had one of these before and I sold it last year, and I regret it. Didn't want to sell it, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But I got another one. Last time I had the DDM4V7 LW, and I didn't really like the pencil barrel. Some people like it. I don't really like it. It gets hot really fast, like really fast. And other than that, it's a freaking awesome rifle. This is probably my favorite AR off the shelf at all. But here she is. Safety check. Nada. So, guess I'll take you up close and we'll go over everything on the DDM4V7. So, stay tuned. Okay. So we got the Daniel Defense Buttstock. It does pull your beard hair. Definitely does. I love the way it looks in the design. Definitely pulls your beard hair. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just tape it. I don't friggin' know. But I got a Velocity MPC trigger in it. This trigger rocks. I got the 3-pound version with this style. The cool thing about these is you can replace just the shoe. So if you don't like the straight with the little hitch on the bottom, you can get a fully straight one or a regular curved one. But I like it. Gives a little pop to the rifle. I went all black with pretty much everything else. Hey Ollie, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing up there? Hi bud, get out of here. What else? I think I'm going to switch out this safety selector. Not sure which one yet. If you have any suggestions, leave them below. I really am a big fan of the Daniel Defense pistol grip. I know some people don't like it. I really like it. I think it's really comfortable. And I actually really like the way it's rubberized, easy to grip. I just wish this part didn't pull your beard hair, but whatever. I got the Troy Battle Sights flip up. See if I can do this one-handed. So there's that. And then here's the front. Look pretty good. Should do the trick. I have not sighted any of this in yet, but should be this weekend. Should get some time. There we go. I got the, sorry guys, I think I accidentally turned you off. Got the Radian Raptor LT, which is the Radian Raptor, except these little back fins are coated in polycarbonate. I don't know what they call that material, but they're actually still aluminum fins underneath it. They just have this little extra coating. It's supposed to save a little weight. We got the EOTech EXPS 20. This was on sale, so I got the green. So we'll see how I like it. So far, I like it a lot, but I haven't shot it yet. And I got the magnifier too, so should be pretty sweet. It's got kind of this rubber coating on here. It's very heavy duty. Just flip it. Pretty sweet. This thing pretty much bulletproof here. And then we got, let's go to the Handguard. M-Lock AFG. I didn't like the AFG 2, it was a little bit bigger. I kind of like the small profile on this. So I got the AFG. Love the M-Lock rail on the DD. I think it's one of the sexiest rails out there, honestly. Lots of options, mounting options, but I love that. It's got the DD proprietary flash hider, which no problems with that. What else? We got the Surefire M300C for the light. And I got the Arisaka offset mount. Look how tight that is, close to the rail. It's pretty awesome. And then we got, I forget the name of the switch, just their basic switch. But we got the Cloud Defensive mount, which kind of cleans up the wiring. It's a super, super clean, simple, badass rifle. So yep, there she is. I'll get out and shoot it this weekend, hopefully, and we'll give you an update, but I don't foresee any issues. My V7LW was a tank, except that pencil barrel, it's not worth it to me. I think it's like 3 ounces lighter than the standard barrel, and I prefer the standard. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.